Mastering Note-Taking for TOEFL and IELTS Listening. Hello language learners! Today, we're diving into a super essential skill for your TOEFL and IELTS journey. Note-taking during the listening section. If you've ever felt lost or overwhelmed while trying to remember everything you hear, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the secrets to effective note-taking. In TOEFL and IELTS listening sections, you're not just listening. You're deciphering, analyzing, and remembering. While your memory is good, it's not perfect. Notes act as a crutch, ensuring that you don't miss out on crucial details that could determine your answer's correctness. Be concise. Your time is limited. Avoid full sentences. Use symbols, abbreviations, and short phrases. Focus on keywords, names, dates, places, and any emphasized terms. Use arrows and symbols. This helps connect ideas and show relationships without writing extra words. Practice. Like any skill, the more you practice, the better you become. Use columns. Split your paper into two, the left for main ideas and the right for supporting details. Use headings. If the audio is about dolphins, write it at the top. Underneath, you can jot down main points like habitat, diet, etc. Bullet points. They are quick and easy to jot down. Use them for lists or sequences. One of the most efficient ways to speed up your note-taking is to develop your personal shorthand. Use plus, for, and with. For, with, and be, see, for, because. Numbers can represent many things. For, or, before, to, for, to, or, to. Remember, this code is yours. As long as you understand it, that's all that matters. After you've taken your notes, always take a moment to review them. This not only reinforces the information but ensures your notes make sense. Additionally, make sure to practice listening and note-taking regularly. Over time, you'll find yourself jotting down notes faster and more efficiently. Thanks for joining us today on this note-taking adventure. Remember, listening and note-taking are skills that improve with practice. So, keep working on it, and soon, you'll be a master note-taker ready to conquer the TOEFL and IELTS listening sections. Until next time, happy studying!